Freud in Yiddish? These 3 volumes, Reinführung in Psychoanalyse, or Introduction to Psychoanalysis, consist of introductory lectures by Freud translated into Yiddish by YIVO founder Max Weinreich. Published in Vilna a year apart in 1936, 1937, and 1938, this translation was a culmination of Weinreich's deep interest in and fascination with Freud's radical new approach to understanding the mind. By the 1930s, Freud was a worldwide celebrity, a modern secular Jewish thinker whose revolutionary and controversial psychological theories shook a worldwide intellectual establishment and drew a devoted international following. In the early 1930s, Freud was venerated in the halls of YIVO and joined YIVO's honorary board alongside figures like Albert Einstein. Just a few years prior to the publication of Weinreich's translation, Freud's work, written in German by an assimilated Austrian Jew, had been declared, quote, degenerate and un-German by the Nazis, and his books were burned in mass book burnings across Germany. Weinreich published this first volume of his translation on May 6, 1936, Freud's 80th birthday. The cover of the first volume proudly declares it as an authorized translation by Max Weinreich. Its first pages include a letter from Freud himself, also translated into Yiddish by Weinreich. Freud expresses his deep regret that he cannot read Hebrew or Yiddish, but nevertheless gives his glowing endorsement for the publication. Quote, "A heartfelt thanks for your efforts," Freud writes, "which will awaken interest in psychoanalysis for so many intelligent people." In 1938, the same year Weinreich published this third volume, the Nazis annexed Austria, and Freud miraculously escaped to London. Weinreich's Freud translation, written before the Holocaust, but already with some understanding of the Nazis' brutality, fit into his overall project to forge, quote, intellectual weapons for his people. It was an astonishing act of defiance in the face of barbarism, prejudice, and cultural destruction.